Buenos dias, buon giorno. This is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this bull. Because yes, this was a name of a bull before it was the name of a car. As you know, every Lamborghini car was named after a famous Spanish bull from the Spanish Corrida shows or spectacles, the tradition from Spain. So how would you go about pronouncing this? Well, in English or American, as you probably know, it's normally pronounced Aventador. Aventador. But because this is a Spanish word, the V is pronounced like a B in Spanish. So that would normally be pronounced in Spanish with the genuine original pronunciation Aventador. 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 If you want to learn how to pronounce Lamborghini with a typical Italian pronunciation, because of course Lamborghini is an Italian word, of course Aventador is a Spanish word, but Lamborghini is Italian. Come mai? It's always Lamborghini, come Ferrari, Italian, is Italian. If you want to learn how to pronounce Lamborghini, here is a video just for you. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Arrivederci, ciao ciao, hasta luego.